Tests of refrigerator bags for cars show that the best models, for example Arctica, Biostal, Thermos, Easy Travel, Resto, including active car refrigerators, Dometic, Indel B, Libhoff, are distinguished by the thickness of the filler, the quality of materials, and the time of keeping cold, varying from 3 to 7 hours for simple thermal bags to 12 to 24 hours with cold accumulators or active cooling. The choice depends on the duration of the trip. Thermal bag, longer; car refrigerator, longer and deeper. Key criteria for the test and selection: type: passive, thermobag, thermocontainer, working with cold accumulators, or active, car refrigerator with 12-volt power supply. Cold retention time: normal thermal bag 3 to 7 hours with batteries 12 plus hours, active ones up to 24 plus hours. Material: dense outer fabric, easy to wash, and a thick layer of polyurethane foam filler. The thicker it is, the better, the longer it keeps cold. Volume: 5 to 20 liters for picnics, 30 to 50 plus liters for long distance trips and large companies. Power for active: affects the speed and depth of cooling. Leaders of the ratings in 2025. Examples: thermal bags, thermal containers, Arctica 3000 to 30, Biostal TRP 25D, Resto 5514, EZ Travel, in style 18, Airline ADCB 017, Camping World Thermobox 40 liters. Car refrigerators, active, Dometic CFX 355, Indel BTB 31, Libhoff Q30, Starwind Mainfrost M7. Recommendations for use: use cold batteries, cooling elements, inside the thermal bag to increase the time of keeping cold up to 12 hours. For long trips, choose an active car refrigerator with a 12-volt power supply that will maintain the set temperature.